In this video, you'll learn how to expand tables in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to customize the size and layout of your tables to better suit your needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL Notion in the address bar. After the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which may prompt you to sign in if you are not already logged in. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. Once you are on your Notion dashboard, locate the option to create a new page. This is typically found in the left sidebar. Click on the Add New Page button. After clicking, a blank page will appear, ready for you to start adding content. Next, click on the blank space within the new page. This will allow you to start typing or adding elements to your page. After you click, you will see a cursor indicating that you can enter text or commands. Type in /table in the blank space. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear showing various options related to tables. This menu allows you to select the type of table you wish to insert into your page. After the drop-down appears, click on Table from the list. A new table will be inserted into your Notion page, displaying a default number of columns and rows. You will recognize the table by its grid layout. To expand the table, find the bottom right corner of the table. You will see a small handle or dot. Click and hold this handle to begin expanding the table. As you drag the handle, the size of the table will increase, allowing you to add more rows and columns. Next, to add more columns, locate the plus icon at the top of the table. Click on this icon to insert a new column. After clicking, a new column will appear next to the existing ones, ready for you to input data. To add more rows, look for the plus icon at the bottom of the table. Click on this icon and a new row will be added beneath the existing rows. You will notice that the table's structure adjusts automatically to accommodate the new row. If you want to adjust the width of a specific column, click on the column header. This will highlight the column, indicating that it is selected. Next, drag the right edge of the column to the desired width. The column will expand or contract based on your dragging motion. To further customize the table, click on another column header to select it. This action allows you to manage multiple columns at once. You can then drag the edges of these columns to align them according to your preferences. Finally, click on any column header to expand it further and drag it to adjust its size. This flexibility allows you to create a table that fits your specific needs and enhances the organization of your data. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.